Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Anywash and I'm back with another unboxing, right? So you guys seen this level already. This is my second Heimdallr, but which one is it, right? So a package arrived like 1 or 2 days back, but I was not I can't retrieve it because I was at my other home. So yeah, this is my first time ever. So unboxing, right? Of course this is the first time that ever I've seen this box, but yeah, this is my second Heimdallr, and let's just see what it is, right? What title I'm gonna be putting it on, right? So of course I am using my Swiss Army Victorinox pocket knife, right? So yep, that is. And for this one, let's do a quick wristwatch check. I am wearing my Citizen NY0040. This is the full lume dial version. Very nice and very difficult to get hold if you guys want one of these, right? So let's see what's inside the box and which Heimdallr did I get, right? So your usual stuff. We come with this very simple bubble wrapping, right? So we have the have a white, oh my god, that is difficult, right? So we have a white Heimdallr outer sleeve. Let's put this one out. Okay, let's put it in the back. So let's do a quick drum roll, right? Okay, see what's inside the box. Aha! Right off the bat, I think if you guys have been following the channel and have been watching my AliExpress summer sales video, you guys will know which watch did I go for, right? So let's just put it aside first. Nothing else inside the box. Come on, Heimdallr, did you give me? How come you didn't give me anything else, right? So oh yeah, we've got the Heimdallr signed warranty card. So this one is, I think they are giving us 2 years warranty, right? So we have a spring bar tool. Fairly simple, nothing new here. And yeah, let's just, if you guys hear somebody singing, that is my daughter, not my wife, right? So let's just put it here and let's see what is the watch that I've bought through these summer sales, right? Ding, and yeah, oh my god, that is, wow, damn, this thing is super duper light, right? So this is the Heimdallr Sea Ghost, right? So the titanium Seamaster homage, right? So oh my god, that is, how the heck am I gonna take this one off? Okay, so can't find it, so I'm gonna pause for a while. Yes, I've got the sticker off, and oh my god, that is definitely awesome. You know what, from the pictures you see that the dial is white, but in real life it's actually more how to say this, silver whitish, or whitish silver. It's difficult to explain, right? So but in what the most important, the one of the reason that I didn't get this one earlier is I thought that the bezel would be horrible, but you know what, yeah, that kind of works. Yeah, it feels a bit weird, to be completely honest with you. So you need to find the grip. Okay, so yeah, okay, so let's check if it lines properly. This is 120 clicks. Yep, just one more click. No, yep, yeah, just a little bit of backflip, but not that bad. So of course this is a titanium watch with a titanium bezel with the what do you call this, aluminum insert, and we have that super wow highly dome box sapphire crystal, and we have that Seiko NH35 movement. And let's check out the crown. Boom, that is so nice. Okay, so the winding action is great, right? So let's just see if it hacks. On a few videos that I've seen previously, when you pull out the crown, the dial could move, but this version I have no issue, so that's so far so good. Let's just get it past the date and see if the date change is just now 11 start, and okay, so completely changing around 12, right? So not that bad at all, right? So let's just, right, so very nice, screwing back in. Very, very nice crown action. Right, so of course we have this helium escape valve thingy here. So totally useless, but yeah, you can see that it has that red ring inside there. So yeah, let's just screw it back in, so no problems whatsoever. And the case, very, very nice titanium case, very, very light, I think. All right, oh, at the back, so Heimdallr logo here with this 100% titanium. I think they're using the grade 3 titanium, and yeah, we have this stainless steel straps and buckle. Right, so of course this is just an unboxing, guys, so I'm gonna be doing a full review of this particular piece in maybe 2 or 3 weeks time. So I have like 3 watches for me that needs to be reviewed, including this one. Right, so let's see if I can do this in one go. So you're supposed to be putting it on your desired hole, and which one I don't know. Let's just pause it again. Okay, yeah, so putting it on is not as easy as I thought, but very, very nice Heimdallr sign buckle here. I am on the 3rd hole, so I have a 6.75 inch wrist size. So I don't know, man, I just love that off-white color of the dial and that sapphire crystal. Very, very nice. Oh my god, this one has to be maybe my favorite watch this coming month, right? So yeah, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, please do let me know in the comment section below. Right, oh, let's just see how is the loom. Right, how does the loom perform? Okay, so not that bad, guys, not that bad. Of course I will do a much proper loom shot when we go for the full review, but as of now, very, very satisfied. And let's see how does it compare to my other watches. But this one is actually my first titanium watch ever, guys, so I'm pretty excited about it. Right, so if you guys like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.